Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so today I'm going to be shooting my mum. I know, pretty, I don't know, with my Nerf gun. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to be shooting my mum. Oh, if the camera went weird, I got up on the bed and that's my bed there, that's my stepbrother's. Okay, let's go. Shh.
Don't speak out of the place. I'm not sore. My skin bad at the moment. What did you just say? My skin's bad.
Okay guys, run. Oh, my skin's bad. Whatever that means. So yeah, my mum's got cirrhosis, so that's what she says. Her skin's bad. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, I know it's really short, but I just wanted to shoot my mum for some reason. I hope you liked it. If you're new to this channel, like and subscribe. And this is Harley, and peace out.